The owner of Masa was such a lovely host.
I came to Tsukiji around 2 to 3 p.m. and he was one of the few stalls that was open. Thank goodness, because I did have plans to visit his store. He told me that Tsukiji Market is typically a morning market, and so a good time to catch the food is from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. He kept us company throughout our meal and made small talk about his interesting life. It's so rare to find people who are up for a conversation in Japan, and he gave me lots of attention since I was his only customer at the time. I think he was preparing to close up for the day as well.
ありがとうございます。
So please give him a visit if you stop by Tsukiji Market. ごちそうさまでした.
So cute. After the fail of trying to see Tsukiji Market, my friend and I went to Ginza 6 to window shop. We made plans to have a kimono day soon since I wasn't going to see her for a while. The kimono dress is a really long garment and it tucks all under the obi belt. It was a very detailed process to take on and off, but I really do think this is the prettiest dress I've ever worn. The rental kimono was to be returned at 5 p.m., so until then, my friends and I played dress up around Asakusa and ate lots of yummy street food.
Anna, how is your... How is the kimono? Good?
Yes.
And your bread?
Yes. It's all the colors? Yeah.
What's so windy?
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Ah, kawaii.
Pictures too if you want.
Yeah, I like them kawaii.
どうぞ。どうぞ。
Okay. Show the back, show the back. Kawaii.
Hi, ロイヤルメルティーアイス。
じゃあカップが今回選びますわ。
カップでお願いします。
ここでます。450円です。上だから。
ち左とか行けばいいね。